Apple's new era iPhone 16e with in-house chip. Apple has just unveiled its latest smartphone, the iPhone 16e, and it's already making waves in the tech community. This new model boasts an impressive feature: an in-house cellular modem chip, designed and developed by Apple itself. This is a significant development, marking the first time Apple has used its own chip for cellular connectivity in an iPhone, a move that could redefine the industry. The inclusion of this chip signifies a new era for Apple and its iconic smartphone lineup, showcasing their commitment to innovation and self-reliance. Previously, Apple relied on Qualcomm for these essential components, which was a significant dependency. This reliance on an outside supplier had implications for Apple's control over its supply chain and profit margins, often leading to complex negotiations and dependencies. The in-house chip allows Apple to exert greater control over the design and performance of its iPhones, ensuring a seamless integration of hardware and software. It also potentially reduces manufacturing costs, giving Apple a competitive edge in the market. Breaking free, reducing reliance on Qualcomm. For years, Apple relied on Qualcomm for cellular modem chips. These chips are crucial as they enable smartphones to connect to cellular networks for calls, texts, and internet access. However, this reliance on a third-party supplier didn't align with Apple's long-term vision. Apple is known for its desire to control every aspect of its products. The relationship between Apple and Qualcomm has been complex. There have been public disputes over licensing fees and technological advancements. Developing an in-house chip allows Apple to break free from this dependence on Qualcomm. This strategic move grants Apple greater autonomy and potentially saves costs. Advancements and challenges of the in-house chip. The transition to an in-house chip is a significant technological achievement for Apple. This move marks a new era in their technological journey, showcasing their ability to innovate and push boundaries. It demonstrates their engineering prowess and commitment to innovation. The in-house chip is a testament to their dedication to creating cutting-edge technology. This new chip promises several potential benefits. It is designed to enhance the overall user experience significantly. These include improved battery life, faster data speeds, and more efficient performance, and seamless integration with Apple's other hardware and software. This integration ensures a smooth and cohesive ecosystem for users. However, developing and integrating a new component as complex as a cellular modem chip comes with challenges. The process is intricate and requires meticulous attention to detail. Apple needs to ensure the chip performs flawlessly across various network conditions globally. This involves rigorous testing and fine-tuning. Early adopters of the iPhone 16e will play a crucial role in providing feedback. Their experiences will be invaluable for further improvements. This feedback will be crucial for Apple to optimize its performance further. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining Apple's reputation for excellence. A new dawn for Apple and the smartphone industry? The introduction of the iPhone 16e with an in-house cellular modem chip is a pivotal moment. This new development signifies Apple's commitment to controlling more of its technology stack, reducing reliance on third-party suppliers. It has the potential to reshape the dynamics of the smartphone industry. By integrating their own modem chips, Apple could set new standards for performance and efficiency. Apple's move could influence other manufacturers to follow suit. This shift might encourage competitors to invest in developing their own in-house technologies. This could lead to increased competition and innovation in the chip manufacturing sector. As companies strive to outdo each other, we could see rapid advancements in chip technology. For consumers, this development could lead to even more advanced and sophisticated smartphones in the future. Enhanced performance, better battery life, and new features could become the norm. As Apple continues to refine its in-house chip technology, we can expect to see further advancements in areas like 5G and beyond. This could pave the way for new applications and services that we can't even imagine today. The iPhone 16e marks a new chapter in Apple's journey. It represents a bold step towards greater innovation and self-reliance. It reinforces their position as a leader in technology and innovation. Apple's relentless pursuit of excellence continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the tech world.